Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another short and sweet lesson. My friends, we do screenshots all the time. We've been using Snip and Tool, but it's kind of broken, so I've got a new one. My friends, let's get cracking. So first, because we do not need Snipping Tool anymore, right-click on it and unpin it from your taskbar. Now click the search area and type SN for Snip, but we want to use Snip and Sketch. Right click on it and we want to choose Pin to Taskbar. Once you've got it pinned to taskbar, let me show you how it works. I've got one of my favorite Tinkercad projects sitting in front of us. This is my Tinkercad robot. When you hit your Snip and Sketch, it pops up this big window. Once again, we click the word New. It goes gray and we grab the part we care about. You could have chose fancy options up here, and then you could draw all over this. There are cool highlighting and pens and things where you can write. You can change all the color and all that jazz, but all I want to do is save it. When you do save, of course, make sure you pick the location you want. I'm going to put mine in my H drive. You could have a special folder. It does put a nice date and time, so you can just hit save and be done. And that, my friends, is how you use Snip and Sketch. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.